Hello everyone, it's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and here is your 5-minute tip for this week. So just want to quickly show you how to import your jams into Figma. Let's get started. So this is FigJam. So if you haven't heard of FigJam, it's been around for a while. Really awesome tool. Does all the things that Jamboard does, plus a whole bunch more. So if you're wondering, like, how do I keep using my Jamboard? This is one of the ways that you can, is to start using FigJam. So to use FigJam, you're going to go to figma.com. So you're going to go to figma.com, go ahead and create your account, do all that great stuff. And then when you're here, you're going to come to import. So when I click import, it's going to say from a computer or from Jamboard. So I'm going to click from Jamboard because I want to bring all my jams in here. Now, every time you do this, it is going to tell you to connect to your Google Drive. So I'm going to click connect, and then it's going to say, go ahead and log in, and then it's going to give me all of the, what it needs access to and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and then it's going to come up and show me all of my jams. All of my jams! So I can actually, highlight multiple and go ahead and select. I'm just going to do one because I've already done some of these. So I'm going to do this one and click select. So of course, if you do a whole bunch of them, it may take a little second, but usually it's pretty quick for me. So you see that it's coming in, and it depends on how much stuff you have, in your jam and all that kind of stuff. So like the ones that just have like a couple of things, it's going to take a little bit shorter time. So there you go. I have my jam in here. I'm ready to go. I can just double click it open like so. And now I can go ahead and do what I need to do. So this one had, of course, multiple frames in it. So you see that it shows me all my frames. It has all kinds of things. I'm not going to get into the awesomeness of Figma, but there's a lot of videos out there about how to use it. But I just don't want to show, since I know FigJam sticky notes was the jam. Yes, we still have sticky notes. You can come here, you can choose the color, that kind of thing, and then you just come and drop it where you want it to be. So there you go. This is how you can import all of your jams into Figma and keep using them as you want to. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button for this video and subscribe to the channel. Good luck.